Listening enhances understanding and reduces misunderstandings. People feel valued when you genuinely listen to them. Listening can reveal hidden emotions and needs, and the best leaders are often great listeners who encourage input from others. Listening helps you learn new perspectives and ideas. Listening builds trust in relationships and fosters deeper connections. By listening actively, you show respect for the speaker's thoughts. People are more likely to open up when they feel heard. Listening can diffuse tense situations and prevent conflicts. Great negotiators are skilled listeners who understand others' viewpoints. Listening more can improve your empathy and emotional intelligence. Active listening requires focus and intention, which enhances mindfulness. Listening allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Engaging in conversations with an open mind leads to richer discussions. Listening can help you identify common ground with others. Understanding someone's story often requires more listening than talking. Listening fosters collaboration and teamwork in group settings. When you listen first, you can tailor your responses more effectively. Listening helps you remember details, which strengthens relationships. Active listening encourages others to be more open and honest. Listening improves your problem-solving skills by understanding issues deeply. The most memorable conversations often happen when one person listens intently. People appreciate conversations where they can express themselves fully. Listening can reveal valuable insights that might go unnoticed otherwise. Good listeners often receive better feedback because they encourage sharing. Listening builds rapport, making interactions smoother and more pleasant. People are drawn to those who take the time to listen. Listening allows you to connect on a deeper emotional level. The ability to listen well can enhance your professional relationships. Listening is a skill that can be developed with practice and patience. You can learn a lot about yourself by listening to others' experiences. Listening helps you develop critical thinking by evaluating different viewpoints. People often remember how you made them feel, and listening creates a positive impact. Listening can lead to unexpected opportunities and connections. Genuine listening can break down barriers and foster inclusivity. Listening encourages kindness and understanding in conversations. The habit of listening can cultivate a more compassionate society. Listening helps prevent miscommunication and the frustration that comes with it. When you listen attentively, you often discover new interests and hobbies. Listening gives you a chance to learn from others' successes and failures.